How to download and install Peacock app. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, in the search box, type in Peacock TV and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, click on it and click on the option Get or Install. With that, download process will be started, or your Face ID will be enabled, or you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. Once you do that, download will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Peacock TV is a streaming app offering a mix of full-length TV shows, universal movies, exclusive Peacock originals, live sports, league, and live news. Once you download it, you can launch it, provide your credentials, and log into your account and use it. So that's it. This way you can easily download Peacock TV in your mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.